Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting hardware and software ready. Make sure the AirPods and case have charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the AirPods case while holding it within 1 to 2 meters of the phone. This forces the AirPods into discovery for the device. Make sure the phone is unlocked so the pairing prompt can surface immediately. You do this because proximity and an unlocked interface let the phone read the AirPods broadcast and present the streamlined connection option. If the automatic prompt doesn't appear, you force pairing. Press and hold the setup button on the rear of the case until the LED blinks white. This puts the AirPods into Bluetooth pairing mode. Then, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, scan, and choose the AirPods name from the list. Allow any permission dialogues. These let features like notification announcements or voice assistant work properly. You do this because manual pairing is the universal Bluetooth route for non-automatic connections and for non-Apple phones. Once paired, confirm the connection by playing audio and checking that the phone routes sound to the AirPods. Make sure the microphone and controls respond. If desired, rename the device in Bluetooth settings for clarity. If anything goes wrong, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and then repeat pairing from step 1. That reset clears previous pairings and resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.